Now let us discuss the principles of management. Your syllabus include these two principles. One is principles given by F.W. Taylor and another is principles given by Henry Fayol. So the principles given by Taylor, we call this scientific management principle, and the principles given by Fayol is known as general principles of management. And these principles means the Fayol's principles are 14. So we would be discussing, it is the part of your syllabus, we would be discussing 14 principles of Fayol's principle. And Taylor has given 4 principles only, but to implement these 4 principles, he has given 7 techniques. So we need to discuss the principles as well as techniques both. But I will start with the Fayol's principles. Let us first understand the general principles of management and then we'll talk about the principles of scientific management. Okay. Okay, now let us discuss about the life story of Henry Fayol. As when we discuss a poem in our English, so we try to know little bit about the poet also. Same way we are going to discuss the principles of Henry Fayol. So we would be talking about the life story of the Mr. Henry Fayol. So as you can see that he was born in 1841. So he was born in France. He got a degree in mining engineering in 1880 and started working as engineer in a coal mining company. In 1888, means after 8 years, he was promoted as the managing director of the company. But at that time, the company was in the situation of almost at the verge of insolvency. So he accepted the challenge and applied his managerial techniques to bring out the company from this situation, and he was successful in it. When he retired after say 30 years working in the company, the company was a leading coal steel company in France with a very strong financial background. Now let us understand about some of his contribution. He is also known as the father of general management. His administrative theory basically focuses on managerial efficiency by controlling the production cost. He was the first person to identify 4 functions of management: planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. He also emphasized on specific activities that the manager should carry out, namely plan, organize, command, coordinate, and control. He suggested that all the activities of an industrial enterprise should be possibly divided into various sections, namely technical, commercial, financial, security, accounting, and managerial. He also emphasized that a manager should possess multifaceted personalities. He should have multifaceted qualities, like he should be physically strong, he should be having moral values, he should be well educated, he should possess the knowledge and experience in the field where he is working, as he felt that it is very important to understand that the kind of work a manager will be doing in the or in the organization, so he should know about all these things and he should have these qualities in him. He believed that infinite number of management principles can be formulated so as to improve upon the operational efficiency of the organization. The principles suggested by him were evolved on the basis of his personal experience. The 14 principles of management propounded by him were described in detail in his book published in the year 19. See here it is written. It was basically published in 1917 and then it was translated in English in 1949, as you can see here. And that when it was translated, then the name of this book was General and Industrial Management, which was published in 1949, and it was widely considered as a foundation work in classical management theory. Now let us discuss about his principles given.